Whether you're baking classic chocolate chip cookies, roasting crispy veggies, or whipping up a sheet pan dinner, a quality cookie sheet is an essential tool for every kitchen. With so many options on the market, finding the perfect one can be a challenge, but we've got you covered. In this roundup, we've selected the 5 best cookie sheets that deliver on durability, even heat distribution, and easy cleanup. Let's dive in and find the perfect pan for your next baking project. Number 5. Bring professional-grade performance to your kitchen with the Umite Chef Commercial Quality Baking Sheet Pan Set. This 2-pack of large 18x13 half-sheet pans is crafted from natural, premium aluminum for exceptional heat conductivity and even baking results. Designed with a reinforced, warp-resistant structure, these pans hold their shape through high-heat roasting and endless baking sessions. The non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, while the generous size makes them ideal for everything from baking cookies and pastries to roasting meats and vegetables. Durable, reliable, and built for everyday use, this set is a must-have for serious home cooks and baking enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Tackle all your baking and roasting needs with confidence using the Wild One Baking Sheet Set of 3. This practical set includes 3 versatile sizes, 9-inch, 12-inch, and 16-inch, perfect for everything from cookies and pastries to roasted veggies and sheet pan dinners. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, these pans are non-toxic, free from harmful coatings, and built to last. Their heavy-duty construction resists warping, while the smooth, mirror-finished surface makes for effortless food release and easy cleanup. Whether you're a casual baker or a kitchen pro, this durable, easy-care bakeware set makes a smart, reliable addition to any home kitchen. Number 3. Upgrade your kitchen essentials with the Good Cook 15x10.5 non-stick carbon steel baking pan raised wire rack set. Designed for versatility and everyday convenience, this multipurpose set is perfect for everything from crisping bacon and roasting vegetables to baking pizzas and cooling fresh-baked treats. The durable carbon steel pan ensures even heat distribution, while the non-stick coating allows for effortless food release and quick cleanup. Paired with a raised wire rack that promotes air circulation for crisp, evenly cooked results, this set is a must-have for home chefs who love reliable, easy-to-use cookware. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleanup after every meal. Number 2. Bring commercial quality performance to your kitchen with the Nordic Ware Naturals half-sheet set. Proudly made in the USA, these premium baking sheets are crafted from pure, natural aluminum for superior heat conductivity and even baking every time. Each pan features an encapsulated galvanized steel rim that prevents warping, ensuring they hold their shape through countless batches of cookies, roasted veggies, and sheet pan dinners. Durable, versatile, and built to last, this 2-pack of half sheets is a must-have for home bakers and cooking enthusiasts alike. Number 1. Elevate your home baking with the Good Cook Everyday Non-Stick Carbon Steel Baking Sheet Set. This versatile 3-pack includes small, 13x9, medium, 15x10, and large, 17x11, pans, designed to handle everything from roasting vegetables to baking cookies and sheet cakes. Crafted from durable carbon steel, each pan delivers even heat distribution for consistent, reliable results. The non-stick coating ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup, making these pans a dependable choice for everyday cooking and baking. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just getting started, this bakeware set is a practical, high-quality addition to any kitchen.